The members of the Election Commission of India, who are on a 2-day visit to Meghalaya, had elevated any sort of law and order situation that may have resulted post the recent Mukroh firing incident along the interstate border between Meghalaya and Assam. While addressing a press conference held on the 13th of January 2023, the Chief Election Commissioner of India, Rajiv Kumar, informed that a review of the situation in the state has been conducted apart from discussions with state government officials of Meghalaya and Assam and political parties to assess their preparedness for the upcoming General Assembly elections of 2023.
Front, we met all the political parties. We also took feedback from the state police, from the chief secretary, from the BG, from the DCs, from the SPs. We have asked them to be very vigilant, but general law and order is all under control and peaceful. And this is what they expect, and they will ensure that it remains so during the elections as well. There is no problem. We have reviewed it at length, both the things, and all the district officials have had detailed discussions with them, and both the sides, and including the transit which happens from Assam in certain booths. It would be absolutely peaceful. There is no need to worry or fear at all. They would be able to participate despite whatever had happened. Both the sides have held joint meetings, both this side and that side of the border. And at the senior level also, at the CS and DG level also, those discussions have taken place. We are alive to that situation, but there is nothing to worry at the moment.